Welcome to Car Review, the channel where we bring you in-depth insights into the latest cars, motorhomes and luxury vehicles from around the world. Today we are going to take a close look at the 2025 Brabus Motorhome, a model that combines elegance, high performance and modern comfort in a way that sets a new benchmark for luxury travel on wheels. The 2025 Brabus Motorhome stands out at first glance with its striking exterior design built on a reinforced chassis. The vehicle carries the bold and dynamic styling that Brabus is known for. The front end features an aggressive aerodynamic profile with LED matrix headlights and a sculpted bumper that not only enhances its road presence but also contributes to improved airflow. The sleek lines along the sides add a sense of movement, while large panoramic windows ensure natural light flows into the cabin. The rear design is equally impressive with LED taillights and a practical layout that integrates additional storage and bicycle racks, making it as functional as it is stylish. In terms of size, the Brabus Motorhome is larger than most conventional models, but Brabus engineers have paid attention to stability and weight distribution. The use of lightweight composite materials ensures that the vehicle remains strong and durable while reducing unnecessary bulk. This approach allows for better handling and improved fuel efficiency compared to many other motorhomes in its class. The overall road stance of the motorhome makes it look like a blend of a luxury bus and a performance vehicle. Step inside and the true magic of the 2025 Brabus Motorhome comes alive. The interior is designed to offer the feel of a high-end residence combined with the latest automotive technology. The driver's cockpit is fitted with a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive touchscreen infotainment system and an advanced head-up display. Drivers benefit from intuitive controls, gesture recognition and voice command integration that make navigation and system management simple and safe. A surround view camera system adds convenience for parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. The living area inside the Brabus Motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. Premium leather seating, soft touch materials and handcrafted wooden accents create an atmosphere of luxury. Ambient LED lighting runs throughout the cabin and can be customized to set the mood for relaxation or social gatherings. A panoramic roof extends over the living space, offering wide open sky views during the day and a starlit ceiling effect at night. The kitchen area is equipped with modern appliances including an induction cooktop, oven, refrigerator and microwave. All of these are seamlessly integrated into a sleek design that maximizes space efficiency. Storage is abundant with smart compartments placed strategically for easy access during travel. The dining area converts into additional sleeping space if required, making the motorhome versatile for families and groups. In the dedicated bedroom, travelers will find a king-size bed fitted with a premium mattress and surrounded by high-quality sound insulation, ensuring quiet and restful sleep even when parked near busy roads. The smart climate control system adjusts temperature and humidity automatically, providing year-round comfort. The bathroom is fitted with luxury fixtures such as a rainfall shower, ceramic sink and energy-efficient water system that mirrors the feel of a high-class hotel. Performance is another area where the Brabus Motorhome stands out. It comes with a powerful turbocharged V8 engine producing over 600 horsepower paired with a sophisticated automatic transmission. This ensures not only smooth cruising on highways but also confident acceleration when needed. The advanced all-wheel drive system gives the motorhome stability on different terrains, from mountain roads to coastal highways, making long journeys safe and enjoyable. Fuel efficiency has been improved compared to previous generations thanks to new engine management systems and lightweight body design. While it is a high-performance motorhome, it balances power with economy, offering a respectable range on a full tank for those seeking greener options. Brabus has also integrated mild hybrid technology to support better efficiency during low-speed driving and city conditions. Safety is prioritized with state-of-the-art features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking. A network of sensors and radar systems work in harmony to protect occupants from potential hazards even during long and tiring journeys. This is complemented by a reinforced body frame designed to absorb impact forces and keep passengers safe. One of the key highlights of the 2025 Brabus Motorhome is its connectivity. The infotainment system supports wireless integration, smart home control features and 5G connectivity, allowing travelers to stay connected on the move. Entertainment screens in the living area and bedroom provide streaming capabilities, while a premium surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience. Overall, the 2025 Brabus Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is a luxury lifestyle statement. It combines world-class design with performance, comfort and cutting-edge technology to redefine what motorhome travel can be. Whether you are a family looking for adventure, a couple planning cross-country tours, or simply someone who enjoys the freedom of the open road, this model is designed to meet every expectation. That brings us to the end of today's review of the 2025 Brabus Motorhome. We hope you enjoyed learning about its design specifications and features. For more detailed reviews and updates on the latest cars and motorhomes, do not forget to subscribe to Car Review and stay tuned for more exciting content.